How to check ChatGPT usage limit on Phone Easy Guide 2026. Are you suddenly getting lower quality responses from ChatGPT or hitting a wall mid-conversation? You might have reached your usage limit without even knowing it. In the next 2 minutes, I will show you exactly how to check your ChatGPT usage limits on your phone and what to do when you hit them. Let us get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are covering how to check your ChatGPT usage limits on your phone in 2026. This works on both iPhone and Android using the official ChatGPT app. Let us go step by step. Step 1. Open the ChatGPT app on your phone and tap your profile icon or the three lines in the top left corner of the screen to open the side menu. Then tap Settings at the bottom of the menu. Step 2. Inside Settings, tap Account. Here you can confirm exactly which plan you are currently on, whether that is free, plus, team, or pro. Knowing your plan is the first step because each plan has completely different usage limits. Step 3. Now let us look at what limits apply to your plan. As of 2026, ChatGPT usage limits depend on your subscription tier, with different plans having different rolling message caps. On the free plan, you get a limit of 10 messages every 5 hours on the full model. After reaching this limit, your chats automatically switch to the mini version of the model until your limit resets. Step 4. For Plus subscribers, here is what you need to know. Track 6 categories inside Settings: Messages, which reset every 3 hours; Advanced Reasoning, which resets weekly; Context Window, which is a per chat token ceiling; File Uploads, Custom GPTs; and Image Generation. Each one runs on its own separate timer, so check settings, then usage for your current numbers at any time. Step 5. Know the warning signs that you have hit your limit. When you exhaust your main model quota, ChatGPT automatically switches to a lighter mini model. This transition happens seamlessly within your existing conversation without you needing to start a new chat. It feels like the model got worse, but what actually happened is you changed models without realizing it. Check the model name shown at the top of your chat to confirm you are still on the model you originally selected. Step 6. Understanding when your limits reset. The rolling window is the most misunderstood part of ChatGPT limits. Unlike apps that reset usage at midnight every day, ChatGPT uses a continuous sliding window that tracks each individual message timestamp. So your limit resets 3 hours after each specific message was sent, not at a fixed time each day. Pro tip: check your settings, then usage section before starting an important work session so you can see your exact counters and reset timers before you begin. If you keep hitting your cap mid-session 2 or 3 times a week, that is a clear sign your current plan does not match your workload, and upgrading to the next tier will save you a lot of frustration. And that is it. You now know how to check your ChatGPT plan inside Settings, understand the limits for your specific tier, spot the warning signs that you have hit your cap, and know exactly when your usage resets. No more confusion mid-conversation. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI app tips and tutorials. Drop a comment below and tell me which ChatGPT plan you are currently on. I read every single one. See you in the next video.